I'm feeling that man outside, hear that? Remember, fly can share with people. Yeah, my peeps, you know, say some mango chicken today, that's what I say. So, you know me, friend watch the video and see it, and so yo, request mango chickens and buy all I think them is the season and chicken them. So you don't know, Lumberjack are the big bad chef, so I must say yo, the mango chicken is it. Go on the recipe they send just buy all I think them is it. So you don't know, I'll show them from scratch. When I season up, I will cook it. That's it. Yeah. And I'm telling about it. I mean, some peeps, shows the cooking thing. Yeah, man, cooking thing loud is it, no job. Remember, Lumberjack represent 7 times rise, 7 times fall. We don't believe in the falling thing because sexy body girl them, big up the two of them, and big up Father God first and everything. Outside the peeps, you hear that? And peeps, see what I spice them there. See pepper, scallion, garlic, thyme, onion. You can see, and see the mango there, see chicken. So we have some French fried chicken right here. We have some stewed chicken. So I will show you now blend season and show you how to do it. So remember mango chicken. Jamaican cook. Yes, mango chicken. I hear you cook. I hear you thinking that. Eh? Yeah, man, see killer there. I'm the paying a film food, man. You see it? Him give me everything to cook for him. So mango chicken him say, oh, I hear that. Show me a chicken pot, no? Pull the chicken, show me a chicken pot. I hear that. Big chicken, number 11. Yeah, I want to see the paying that man outside. I hear that. Remember, for like and share with people.